In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can remove a payment method from your iPhone. If you do find this video useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if you no longer use a certain payment method, here's how you can get rid of it. The first method is actually through the App Store. Go ahead and open up your App Store and tap your profile icon up in the top right, and then select your account. You may be prompted to enter in your password, so go ahead and do that, but after doing so, hit Manage Payments and find whatever payment method you want to remove, and select Remove Payment Method and then confirm. Now the second, a more popular method is actually by using the Wallet app, and you can access this by going on to Settings, and then typing in Wallet, and then selecting Wallet and Apple Pay. From here, go ahead and select whatever card you'd like to remove, scroll down, and then you'll see the option to remove it down at the very bottom. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. Your payment methods have now been successfully removed from your iPhone. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.